The PL2 Pro is a next-gen handheld drone detection system integrating spectrum analysis, protocol decoding, and remote ID or ID recognition. Smartphone size 650 grams device for ultimate portability. It can be used in low-altitude security operations of various scenarios. Detection range 1 to 3 kilometers in urban environments, extending to over 5 kilometers in open areas.
FPV drone detection, upgraded low-frequency FPV detection, comprehensive drone database, identifies over 900 types of drone models, including DJI, Hotel, as well as FPV drones. Portable and easy. Detects common drones without external antennas for fast, easy operation.
Enables simultaneous localization of drones and pilots with meter-level accuracy, and provides navigation-guided routing for tracking pilot or drone movements. Image decode. Real-time decoding of FPV first-person view flight imagery with enhanced clarity for low-frequency FPV signals. Blacklist or whitelist management. One-touch whitelist configuration for cooperative target identification, enabling classified supervision of cooperatives versus non-cooperative entities. Interoperable with other countermeasure systems to enable a closed-loop solution encompassing detection, early warning, identification, localization, and neutralization, ensuring comprehensive low-altitude security.